Yeah, you can kind of see that stripiness. It's gonna be my last video for a minute. I'm about to head off to the doctor for surgery. There's a tiny little, oh my gosh, there it is, here we go. Huh. That's weird looking, huh? So I just want to say something quick. I don't get involved in drama. I will never get involved in drama, but I want everybody, everybody to just think about how you feel. Think about how maybe you feel censored or scared or hopeless or angry about what's going on. Maybe you've been trying to speak out and you've been having a lot of issues, you know, finding people to listen to you, or, you know, just technical difficulties. And maybe you're someone that's been speaking out for a while and you're tired of, you know, I don't know, having to explain yourself. But I want you all to think about how you feel, and then I want you all to consider the concept that there are other people out there that feel the exact same way you do. And I think that if we really look at things, and if we all realize that, you know, we're all just kind of in this together, hopefully maybe we'll start feeling empathy for each other. And even if people do you wrong, you will try to find the reasoning behind it. Because that's how we can come to an understanding and realize how and why maybe we're hurting each other, so then we can stop. We can't keep hurting each other. We have to work together. I love you all. I hope you have a wonderful day. Please be good to each other.